kits had not been made for 15 years. So this is the 9th kit. The other cars are on actual GTC racing cars. This is the one on the street book. So this car is full factory engines. So we got the 5.4 sauce lower. This is a road legal car. In 2007, this car was crashed at a racetrack, at an oval racetrack. Put it into a wall, spun it around. Every corner of the car was split.
This car here.
This car here. Here, but you'll notice everything else other than it is factory. It's all original. So fully road legal car. It's meant to be driven on the street. That's what we built it for. There's a lot of kind of little touches we did on the car that weren't usual with the Ford GTs. So the chassis on the GTs, all of them were painted silver. So we had ours down to bare grease. We shot the floors back. The
Okay.
is all black. And then we kind of put our own touches on it. So there's a lot of other kind of smaller upgrades that we did on the shirt. So with the carbon fiber kit, the race teams actually ran stickers. So the factory headlights doesn't fit in the bucket anymore. So we had Tyler Cordero make us custom sub headlights through it, and these are kind of inspired by the newer generation Ford GT, and so it gives it a very different look. So really cool. So you've got halos, like running light halos in there. How fun. The cooling stack on this car was completely destroyed, so we raised up a CSF. They're making production radiators, heat exchangers, all this stuff with the front end, so that's all brand new. And other than that, we just put the car together, got it all working, replaced all the bushings, or I went to the engine, got a ton of maintenance, so this thing fired up and running, so we're ready to go.
Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscars with Eric.